Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, welcome back my YouTube channel Rimsha Decoration. I hope all my viewers are fine and enjoy the day of life. If you know about my YouTube channel or all like video, then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and please make sure press the bell icon. So you told another amazing video like this one, then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. So guys, please watch this video to end and then don't miss another amazing video designs and decorations. So guys, I am back with another beautiful idea about birthday cake decoration in different styles, different color combination and different sizes. Here are some amazing, delicious and eye-catching cake decorating ideas that suit both home and professional parties. I hope you enjoy my video. Most beautiful, most amazing and most creative designs. How to decorate your cake with a beautiful way. I provide you simple idea of how your cake that is most essential, that is most creative. If you new my YouTube channel, then don't miss another amazing video like this one. Then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Please like, share, comment on my YouTube video. Thank you so much guys for watching my cake designs. If you are interested in these types of design, then please visit my channel. Then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. I hope you love my cake designs. I hope you love the designs of creativity. If you like more ideas, specific decorating tips, please visit my channel. Then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much guys for watching my YouTube video. All the designs look so attractive, so stylish, so amazing, so beautiful. Whether simple or beautiful cake showcase love and celebrations. I am sure cake decoration ideas from this video. You can choose each theme perfect for birthday celebrations, baby showers, bridal showers, groom shower, anniversary, professional party or another celebrations. Whether simple or beautiful cake showcase love and celebrations. I hope you like this design with unique color combinations. Whether simple or beautiful cake showcase love and celebrations. I am sure cake decoration ideas from this video. If you like any designs, and take a screenshot of it and also to try my amazing cake recipe. They are so easy to make and absolutely delicious. If you want to see more make party decoration ideas, cake decoration ideas, then please visit my channel. Then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much everyone for watching my YouTube video and collecting my beautiful channel, and see you tomorrow with a new video. Until take care of yourself and people around you.